Hello my students, how are you? Grade 5. Today we'll solve week assessment, week number 7 from the performance questions. Questions number 1, this year 2026. First question shows the correct answer. The product of 32 and 54. 32 times 54 equal what? We can find the result like this. Write 54 up and 32 down. 2 times 4 equal 8. And 2 times 5 equal 10, and then write 0. 3 times 4 12, 2 and carry up 1. 3 times 5 15 plus 1 equals 16. Then we can add together here. 8 plus 0 8, 2 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 6 7, and then drop 1. The result will be 1728. Choose letter B. Okay, it's first question. Number 2. Common multiple of two numbers 3 and 5 is 3 times 5 equal 15, because 5 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then the common multiple of two numbers here, it will be 15. It will be their product. Why? Because 3 and 5 we called it relatively prime numbers. Choose letter B. Next question. Using rectangular area model, find the product of 42 and 326. Okay, we can draw a rectangle here and divided the vertical 3 parts and horizontal 2 parts. Okay, because 326 equates 300 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, right here 300, 20 and 6, and second number 42 equal 40 plus 2. And then product the area of rectangle equal length product by which 300 times 40, right, 3 zeros here, and 3 times 4 12. The length here 300 and width 2. 2 times 300 equals 600. 40 times 20, right, double 0. 2 times 4 8. 4 times 6, right, 0, and 4 times 6 equal 24. 2 times 20 equal 40. 2 times 6 is 12. 8 together 0. Plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, and carry a 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and write 1, and here 2, 1 plus 4, 5, and then write 6, and then 8 together, 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 3 and 1, then the answer will be 13,692. Then the product of 326 by 42, it will be 13,692. This method we called it rectangular area model. Understood? Next example. Using distributive properties to find the result of 92 times 3. We use distributive properties. We know 92 equivalent 90 plus 2. Product by H3 equivalent 80 plus 3. And then, right, 90 times 80. And then 90 times 3. Next step, product 2 times 80 plus 2 times 80 and 2 times 3. We used here distributive properties, right? Product 90 times 8, right, double 0, 8 times 9 equals 52. 3 times 90, right, 0, 3 times 9 equals 27. 2 times 8, right, 0, 2 times 8 equals 16. And 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 plus 7, 13, 3. And carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And then write 7. Then the product of 93 or 92 by 83, the result here will be 7,636. Okay. Next example here, Ahmed trains 3 days, while Usama trains every 4 days. Both friends are trained together today. How many days will pass until they train together for the second time? And do you need to use less multiplication or greatest common factor? We need to use here less multiplication. Start from the first day, first and second. Ahmed trains after 3 days, every 3 days, 3, 6, 9, 12. And Usama trains every 4 days, 4, 8, 12. Then we must use here list multiplication between two numbers. Then they will play with together again in the 12 after 12 days. After 12 days they will train well together, or they will pass until they train together for the second time after 12 days. Okay, next question, the product of 34 and 52 equal 34 times 52. We can write here 34 and 52. And then 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 3, 6, plus 100, 0, 4 times 5, 20, 0, and carry up 2. 3 times 5, 15, plus 2 equals 17. And then you can add together. 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 0, 6, 7, and 1. Then the answer will be, we have now 34 and 52. The answer will be 1768, okay? Show the correct answer. A common multiple of two numbers 4 and 6, it will be what? We have 12 and divided, and also 24, because we asked about common multiple numbers, not list multiplication. We know the list multiplication between them equal 12, but this example he asked about common multiple of two numbers 4 and 6, it will be 24. Question number 3, using rectangle area model to find the answer between 62 and 432. Okay, we have number has 3 digits and the other has 2 digits, so we can divide this area of rectangle about 3 parts vertical and 2 parts horizontal, like this. 3 parts vertical and 2 parts horizontal. Here the first number 432, write expanded form this number 430 plus 2, and second number 60 plus 2. Then product 60 times 400, write double 0 and then 0 here. 4 times 6, 24. 2 times 400, 800. 6 times 30 is double 0. 3 times 6, 18. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 30, 60. 2 times 2, 4. And then it together here to find the area, total area. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0 outside. 2 plus 0 plus 0 equal 2. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0 equal 9. Okay, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 4, 5. Write 2. And 4 in the ones, 6 in the teens, 8 in hundreds. And then collect 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5, 6. And write 2. In the product of 432 and 62 is equivalent. The answer will be 6784. Okay. Next example. Using distributive properties to find the product between 29 and 38. We know 29 equivalent to 20 plus 9. And 38 equal 30 plus 8. Write 20 plus 9 product by 30 plus 8. 20 times 30, using distributive properties. 20 times 30 first, okay? 20 times 30. And then 20 times 8. 20, finish 20 now, 9 times 30. And 9 times 8. 20 times 30, right, that is 0, 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 9 equal 27. 8 times 9, 72. 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 0 and carry up 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6 equal 11. Then 29 product by 38 equivalent 1102. Okay, the answer will be 1102. Next question, number 5. Ahmed trains every 3 days, while Osama trains every 2 days. Both friends are training together today. How many days will pass until they train together for the second time? Do you need to use list multiplication or greatest common factor? We use here list multiplication. Then the list multiplication between two numbers equals 6. Then they will pass until they train together for the second time after 6 days. After 6 days. And we must use the here list common multiplication between two numbers. Next question, show the correct answer. 32 reduced by 45 equivalent to what? We can write 45 and 32. We can use partial product or break part as you like. About strategy to find the correct answer. 2 times 5, 10. 0 and the carry of 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Write 0. 3 times 5, 15. 5 and the carry of 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1 equals 13. 8 together, 9 plus 5, 14. 4 and the carry of 1. 3 plus 1, 4. And write drop 1. The result will be 1440. We have now 32 and 45. Next example. Next question, number 2. Common multiple of two numbers 5 and 6 will be their product. It will be 30. Because 5 and 6, we called it relatively prime numbers. They can't be divided by a number without 1. Question number 3, use a rectangle area model to find the answer of 26 and 234. Okay, we can draw a rectangle and divided it 3 parts like this, because first number has 3 digits. Okay, like 234, right? 200 plus 30 plus 4. And 26, right? 20 plus 6. 20 times 200, right? 3 zeros. 2 times 2, 4. 20 times 30, right? Double 0, 2 times 3, 6. 20 times 4 is 0, 2 times 4, 8. 6 times 200, right? Double 0, 2 times 6, 12. 6 times 30, right? 0, 3 times 6, 18. 6 times 4 equal 24. And then collect 0 here. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 0, 6, and write 4. Here 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 8, 10. 0 and the carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 0, drop 1. 4. 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 6084. Then the product here between 234 and 26, the product will be 6084. Next question number 4, using distributive properties to find the result. 28 times 39. You must use distributive properties. 28 equivalent 20 plus 8. You can put brackets. Use here distributive properties. Product by 39, 30 plus 9. And then 20 times 30, first step. And 20 times 9. And then you must start by 8. 8 times 30. And then 8 times 9. Then 20 times 30, right? Double 0, 2 times 3, 6. Right, 0, 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 8 equal 24, and write 0. 8 times 9, 72. We can collect 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 8, 19. 9 and the carry of 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Then the product of 28 and 39, the production will be 1092. Use distributive properties. Number 5. Ahmed trains every 5 days, while Osama trains every 3 days. Both friends are training together today. How many days will pass until they train together for the second time? Do you need list multiplication or guess factor? We will use here list multiplication between two numbers, 5 and 3. 5 times 3 equal 15. Then the list multiplication between two numbers here, it will be their product because 5 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then they will pass until they train together for the second days after 15 days. We use here list common multiplication. Understood? Last question of this week, okay?